Happy New Year! Today guys, I'm going to make unboxing, but it's a different kind of unboxing. Unboxing of Osechi Ryori. It's Japanese New Year's food. They called it Osechi Ryori. And this one. This is the box. So Osechi means Japanese New Year's food, something like that. Okay. And I have here another unboxing. Normally, Japanese tradition, or yeah, they try to use these items every year. Okay, so guys, here's my unboxing. The Osechi Ryori is Japanese food in box. In the box. Okay, so I'll show you guys. And I don't know, I don't have idea yet. We just received it. It's kind of a surprise, New Year's surprise food. Yes. So I'm going to open it for you. So I hope you will like it. Japanese Osechi Ryori. Unboxing of Osechi food. Wow. See, guys, it's a Osechi Ryori food. I don't know exactly what I'm going to say, but they called it Osechi. It's Japanese New Year's food. It's written here, but it's written in kanji. I don't know how I will explain it. It's quite long. Later I'm going to, you will know it later. So let me open this box for you. Actually, I feel it has 3 layers, guys. 3 layers. Look, the box has 3 layers, and it has different kinds of color. First color is red, then the second is black, and it's blue. Okay, it looks like a present, guys. If you don't know, if someone will give you, Japanese will give you, you might think that it is something like a jewelry box, but it's food. Okay, let me open first, guys. The first box, the top of the box, first. Okay, let's start the top. Okay, let's open it, guys. What's the food in here? Oh, something like, wow, it has beautiful design, guys. Look, so beautiful. They called it something like what do you call it? when they giving gift, they always have like this sign of present. Okay, so the top of the box has shrimp. There's a fish. Second, there's a different kinds of vegetable. In here, some things like a bamboo shoots with mushroom, and I think that is a potato. So it has 4 kinds in one box. Wow, it looks yummy. Totally, it's very different. Okay, let's look the second box, guys. Okay, here it is, guys. Oops. So box is very presentable, guys. There's a soft taro of sponge here. Wow. So now I have 2 boxes in here, guys. Can you see? And in here I am going to actually this Usichi Ryori has meaning in Japan. So if you can see, guys, I'm going to open it. I think this is kind of kind of fish, something like that. And there's a scallop, guys, seafoods. There's a scallop, and I don't know what is it. It's a kind of rolls. I think something like chicken rolls. And there's a octopus. Guys, can you see? It's an octopus. Wow. It's cooked, guys. It's not raw octopus. There's a black soybeans. I don't know what it's called. Normally, it always appears during this occasion, like New Year. And this one is like a salad or appetizer. So guys, there's a parsley here. Just they make it as decoration. Okay, guys. Here's the third. Okay, we don't need the plastic, so you can see well what's inside. So guys, you can see well now. I have 2 bags of food here, and I think it's good for 5 person. And now I'm going to open the third box. I'm really excited, guys. I wanna eat this kind of food. It looks very expensive, but normally we cannot eat like this. Okay, and this one, the third box is in here. Oh, see, it's variety, guys. Looks very yummy. Wow. Oh no, I don't know what to call this. It's kind of fish eggs inside of fish. They make it crunchy. And this is the shell, shiitake, like a scallop, not a scallop, but actually. And this is meat. And this is a kind of ham, maybe ham. And there's something like mochi. Mochi is sticky rice, but I think inside has a kind of sweet. So it's sweet sticky rice maybe. And then this is what do you call this? Walnuts. Yeah, walnuts. It's sweet. And this one maybe is a sweet. Also a sweet food. So guys, I have 3 bags of food. So this is normal Japanese osechi ryori food. Japanese food for Japanese. Yeah. New Year's food. So I already show you guys the food of Japanese for New Year, but I want to unbox also another one, and it's very important for Japan. So guys, let me show you what I have every year they believe that when New Year comes, they should have a new chopstick. Yes. Normally, they want to have new chopstick every year. So, guys, I have here 2 new chopsticks. So, we have to use new chopsticks for this year, and the old should be, throw away. So, guys, I'm ready to eat now this Japanese food. So let's eat, guys. Hope you like Japanese New Year's food and their beliefs. And later we're going to have drinks. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye.